This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath golf cottage. It's right pretty close to the lake, also close to the April Sound security building. There's the tee box. It's right on the golf course. This is the front patio. Lots of room to sit and enjoy the view. And we're going to go inside now. And this was recently remodeled. It had the floors, solid wooden floors redone. It's had recent furniture. And it's got a wall of windows right there. The kitchen was remodeled last year. It has granite countertops. It has a full-size washer and dryer. This is the utility room. It's got tile floors. This is the dining area. And then there's a bedroom down the hall. It has 2 twin beds. And then right across is a full bath. At the other end of the hall, there's another bedroom, and this one has a queen-size bed. And then the master bedroom is over here. It's got a queen bed. It's got high ceilings, ceiling fan. And it has its own full bath. And that's our golf cottage. That is 57 April Village. It does have covered parking also.